Today I'm going to show you how to make Rice Krispie Treats. This is a simple way to make Rice Krispie Treats, which is a classic treat. The ingredients that you're going to need are 3 tablespoons of butter. Unsalted works best. You're going to need 1 package of marshmallows, which is about 10 ounces, or 40 marshmallows, or 4 cups of the mini marshmallows. I think the mini marshmallows work better. You're going to need 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. And as an option, you'll need half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is melt the butter. In a large pot, melt the butter over a low heat. Don't rush. This keeps it from burning. Next, you'll want to add the marshmallows. Stir in the marshmallows until completely melted and smooth. With the larger marshmallows, this may take a little bit longer, so I suggest getting the small marshmallows. After the marshmallows have completely melted, or close to being completely melted, you'll want to add in vanilla extract. After you've melted the marshmallows with the mixed vanilla extract, you're going to mix in the cereal. You're going to remove the pot from the heat or turn it completely off if you're using an induction stove like mine. And immediately add the Rice Krispies cereal and stir until everything is evenly coated. Next, you're going to press the Rice Krispies into a pan. You're going to grease a 9 by 13 inch pan, or you can line it with parchment paper if you don't want to grease the pan. Using a greased spatula or wax paper, press the mixture evenly into the pan. Don't pack it too hard, because not packing it too hard keeps the Rice Krispies chewy instead of hard. Next, you'll cool and cut the Rice Krispies. Let the Rice Krispie Treats cool for about 30 minutes and then cut them into squares or rectangles. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.